Welcome to SIRA MCQ YouTube channel. Today we discuss advanced level A-level accounting paper 2023 question number 3. This is related to accounting concept. What is the requirement? Look here. Which of the following accounting concepts, there are 5 accounting concepts, provides the basis for recognition of right of use assets in the statement of financial position? Look here, they recognize there's a basis for, there is some accounting concept basis supplied to recognize of right of use asset. There's a lease asset, no asset in the statement of financial position. You know of a lessee. Lessee means purchasing person. Lessee means purchasing person. The purchase person identified this right of use asset in non-current assets. At that time, what is they said? Look here. You know there's a right of use asset or lease asset. This a lease asset means we obtain this asset in credit basis. At that time, look here, this is the lease period. No, there is a 5 years lease period. Lease period. Lease period. We get a right of use asset. There's a motor vehicle, no? There's a motor vehicle. There's a right of use asset. We paid the installments within 5 years. At that time, this area, this lease period, we haven't legal authority of this motor vehicle. Why? We obtain this right of use asset, motor vehicle, in lease. Lease means credit purchasing. At that time, the seller means lessor, seller obtain a legal authority within the lease period. But the purchase person means purchased person is lessee, is our company. We cannot get the legal authority of this motor vehicle within the lease period. Why? This is the credit purchasing. We already paying the installments. Therefore, within the lease period, we haven't legal authority of this asset. We haven't legal authority. The legal entitlement, legal authority. What is that meaning? You know, there's an asset. What is the definition? Definition is present economic resource controlled by the entity as a result of past events. At the identification of right of use asset, this asset in the statement of financial position, what is the requirement? We fulfill asset definition, not legal authority. We haven't legal authority about this right of use asset, but we consider the accounting path. What is the recognition criteria of accounting the asset? What is the recognition? Asset is right of use asset is present economic resource controlled by the entity as a result of past event. They didn't say the legal authority of this right of use asset. At the accounting concepts, we can identify, we control this asset as a asset, the non-current asset. Why? According to the accounting concept is the major one. Why? The legal authority is not relevant. At the legal activities we can use it, but the accounting purpose we can identify the non-current asset, right of use asset. Why? We consider only, what is that? Accounting purpose, accounting criterias, asset criterias. Present economic resource is this motor vehicle controlled by the entity as a result of past event. More than legal authority, we consider the accounting concept. More than legal authority, we consider the accounting concept. Based on the accounting concept, we can identify this right of use asset as a non-current asset. Statement of financial position. Why? We do not consider the legal authority, we only consider accounting asset identification criteria. Therefore, this is what is the concept? This concept is substance over form. Substance over form means the substance means important is accounting basements, not a legal authority. Substance over form means we consider the more value to accounting concept more than legal authority. At that time, this right of use asset identification we focus to accounting asset identification criteria. Therefore, this is a substance over form concept. Therefore, directly we can identify answer is 4 for question number 3. Question number 3. Okay. In next video, there is a equation related question, prime entry books. In next video, we meet question number 4.